Welcome to KenBlaze tutorial. Today I'll be solving this Cambridge additional mathematics question on Surds. Now we have to find the value of P and Q. Now we have expression on the left hand side and we have expression on the right hand side. Now let us expand this expression on the right hand side. This means we're going to multiply itself 2 times. So when we have 228, then plus 2, P sub 3 is equals to, this is Q, then plus 2 sub 3, we'll multiply it again, so into Q plus 2 sub 3. Now let's open the bracket. Q multiply Q, I have Q square, then plus Q multiplying 2 sub 3, I have 2Q sub 3, plus another 2Q sub 3, then plus 2 multiply 2 is 4, so 3 multiply sub 3 is 3, so 2 times 3 is 12. Now I have this expression can be grouped into 2. One without surd, that is Q square plus 12. It has no surd on it. Then these are like terms. This one that has surd, they are like terms. So 2Q plus 2Q will give us 4Q. 4Q sub 3. Then this is equivalent to 28 plus P sub 3. Now we begin to compare. We are going to compare 28 with Q square plus 12 because they don't have any surd attached to it. Then we're also going to compare P sub 3 to 4Q sub 3. Now, when we say Q square plus 12 is equals to 28, now it means that Q square is equals to 28 minus 12, and Q square is equals to 16. Then my Q become the square root of 16 plus or minus. Then my Q become 4 or minus 4. Now when we compare the other side, the one that has the radical, the surd, the square root, then I will now have 4Q sub 3 will now be equals to P sub 3. Now when I eliminate the sub 3, I will eliminate the sub 3, I will now have P is equals to 4Q. Now when P is equals to 4, my P, when Q equals to 4, my P will now be 4, which is 16. And when P is equals to minus 4, or rather when my Q equals to minus 4, my P will now be 4 into minus 4. So my P will now be minus 16. So my Q is 4 or minus 4, and my P is 16 or minus 16. Thank you. for watching.